A rectangular prism has a length of 2.5 centimeters, a width of 2.5 centimeters, and a height of 5 centimeters. Justin has a storage container for the prism that has a volume of 35 cubic centimeters. So we are talking about two different objects here. What is the difference between the volume of the prism and the volume of the storage container? So object 1 and object 2. So first, let's find the volume of the rectangular prism, again, by multiplying length times width times height. And we'll use our calculator, our Desmos calculator, to do that. So I have 2, I'm going to go over here, and 1/2 times, notice I click to the side, another 2 and 1/2 times 5, and so 31.25 or 31 and 21 hundredths was a storage container. The rectangular prism, 31.25. And then they already gave us that Justin's was 35. So the question was, what is the difference? So remember at the beginning of the year, we learned that difference meant to subtract. So I am going to subtract. I'm going to subtract 35 minus 31.25. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to make sure that that moves up. So 35 minus 31, I'm going to put the decimal in, 25, and that gives me 3 75/100. Now I know by memory that 75/100 is 3/4, and 3/4 is the same as 3/4. But let's say I didn't know that for memory from back when we did that. The Desmos calculator can change that into a fraction, and that's what that fraction would look like. So I can use long division to figure out my mixed number. So we had 15 over 4. And so remember, our fractions are division problems as well. So the top number is being divided by the 4. So 15 divided by 4. 4 can't go into 15, but I do know it can go, let me say that again. 4 can't go into 1, but I do know that it can go into 15 exactly 3 times without going over. 3 times 4 is 12. If I subtract 15 minus 12, I get 3. I don't have any numbers to bring down, and 4 can't go into 3, so this is my remainder. My remainder becomes my numerator, and my divisor, my 4, becomes my denominator. So my mixed number is 3 3/4.